going to be called oddities. So some numbers are just well odd. For example, number 3 is odd because it's not a multiple of 2. More precisely, if a number n can be expressed as n equals 2 times k, then n is even. For example, 2 times 3 is even. Our odds, right input. So, well, it's just deciding if a number is even or odd. So it's basically, that's what you need to do. So we'll just do a C++ template. Get a C++ template, copy it, get it over with. Let's go right here, copy this. We have that now, and then what we want to be able to do is just probably read in the number. So it'll just be like int n, and then we want to read in that number. And then I guess it tells us how many numbers we're gonna generate. So it'll be for every int I equals to 0, I is less than n, then plus I. And then what we want to do is make a temporary variable to hold our values. And then send temp. And then we'll just do a simple if temp 2 is equal to 0. That means it is cout temp is even. And then else cout temp is odd. And then we'll probably do a new line. And then it'll do return 0. Is this part of the for loop? Yeah, so it's just part of it right here, return 0. Then we submit it, and then that should solve it, hopefully. Compile error. Send temp. Anything else? Nothing. That should solve it. It's a really quick problem. Wrong answer. What the hell? Let's see. I is less than n, and then plus and temp. You read it, and then if temp is equal to 0, cout temp is even. It's like that. Is odd. Is underscore even else. And we'll just copy this thing right here and just put this on like C++ online compiler, and then we'll just go with, I think it's this one. This is what I use. So just delete this, put that right there, run. Then I just copy this input, and then we should see all that. 10 is even, 9 is odd, -5 is odd. Is even. Yeah, that should work now. So submit it. Unless there's something weird about it. Accepted. So it's probably like the spacing I had here. I got accepted. So that means we solved this challenge. That was pretty quick speed run. And now let's go back to doing more. Look at the problems. Probably gonna take a while for it to update. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. So we'll just like do something like this. We did oddities. Next we'll do ABC. So with this we have, you'll be giving 3 integers A, B, C. These numbers will not be given the exact order, but we know that A is less than B and B is less than C in order to make more pleasant viewing. Okay, the first line contains the 3 positive integers A, B, and C, not necessarily in that order. The 3 must be less than or equal to 100. The second line contains the letter representing the desired order. I'll put A, B, and C in the desired order in a single line separated by single spaces. So I was just basically rearranging it. 6, 4, 2, A, B, C. Okay, so it's A. Okay, so if we put this in order, it will be A, B, C. But since 3 is on this side, and that means you just have to flip it like that. It wants it in this order, in ABC. So ABC is the original order it wants it to, but in this, 1 is A, 2, the second B is 3, and then C is 5. The reason being because they need to be in order. So that's why it came out to 1, 3, 5. If we were to so we only want to rearrange this. C, A, B. So we know A is going to be 2, B is going to be 4, and then C is going to be 6. So C, A, B. So it's going to want C, 6, then 2, and then 4. Okay, then. So we got to take that into account. So we'll just do this right here. Copy this right here. So first we want to be able to put this right there. So we have iOS stream. So let's include some other stuff. So we'll do include vector. Then include algorithm. Let's make it a bit easier on us. And then include string. So we're going to take all this out. And then what we're going to do is initialize a vector. So vector is going to be made out of ints, and we're going to call it v. And then we're going to do v.resize. So that means it's going to initialize the size as 3 values, which is going to represent the 3 letters and 3 numbers. So we'll read in the first 3 values, which is just 0, and we'll just do it like that. Something like that. Type shit. So we'll do it like that. 0, and then we'll do 1, and then 2. So that should be good. And then we'll want to sort it out. We'll sort it. Sort dot begin. V dot begin. And V dot end. So this is gonna sort the entire thing from start to finish. And then if they want to declare a string to read in our second value, so string A, sin A. And then we're just simply gonna do something like that. If if A is equal to ABC, that means all we need to do is just print out the thing that's in order. So see out all of this in order, basically. But see out that by in order, so it'll just be like that. Just put that like that. And then end line. See out 1, 2, 3, and then we have to do it for every possible case that there is. So that's for ABC. Now we need to think of all the other, I think is it 9? 2, 2, 4, 8. So like 9 other cases, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why do you simple math? So let's see, copy this. Copy that, and then just like paste it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that should be good. So now will be ACB, BAC, BAC. What's the next one? BCA. What's the next one? CAB. What's the next one? CBA. CBA. That's about it. So now we got 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. I don't feel sad. 1, 0, 2. So why is it BAC? So 1 is gonna be, so 0 is always gonna be A, 1 is always gonna be B, and then 2 is gonna be C. So that's why it prints out like that. In this case, we only flip that. This is BCA, so that's gonna be 1, and then C is gonna be 2, and that's gonna be 0. Then that's gonna be 201, 201, and then CBA is gonna be 2, 1, no 2, 1, 0, and then I feel like that should be it. ABC, ACB, CAB, CBA, and then after that we'll just do a return 0 at the end. Yeah, I feel like that should give us the right answer. I'm about to see right now when we submit it. Hopefully I didn't mess up on nothing. Oh. Algorithm. Then we submit it. Compile. Wrong answer. My first submission was wrong. Sample input 1 ABC CL V012. Yeah, sure. Can we run it? So 153, then 135. It prints out 135. 135. Hey, 135. Yeah, that should have worked unless they don't want the new line, which makes sense. Yeah, it might be the new line. So it's so dumb though. Oh yeah, because it doesn't print it out multiple times. So yeah, I can see why the new line might be an issue. But so it doesn't tell you so. Submit. Wrong answer. Did not pass the first. Huh. So it passes. Okay. 1, 5, 3, A, B, C. Then we press enter. 135. Oh, is it in spaces? Oh, oh damn, that's gonna make it kind of annoying. If I was an editor, I'm pretty sure this could have been a lot easier. Oh, I do this for all one of these. You know, this makes it a lot easier then. Zero 1 2 0 2 1 BAC, so that's 1 0 2 BCA, so that's 1 2 0, that's 2 0 1, and that's 2 1 and 0, and then if you submit that, that should work now. 916. I passed it. Alright then, let's see our ranking. So if we click on that, and then we see that we went up to 81, but we should go up even more right now because it doesn't update right away. So that's the only bad thing about Kattis, but I'll probably wait for the update. I'll just be talking for a bit. So if we look at that total, so we check the total. So now we're at, let's see, sorting numbers. I'm gonna search the numbers. Yeah, ABC just got that. And then if we check again, we're at 81. We'll be at 83 right now. It doesn't update it. Yeah, we're slowly going up. Hopefully we'll make it to 83 this video, so like I don't have to say that. You know what, we'll just keep it like that. I'll keep you guys updated when my score updates again, but right now we're in 17-1-1-1-2-2. That's still pretty good. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.